Right now I'm driving in the rain a brand new 2024 Mercedes-Benz G550, aka the G-Wagon, aka la Mercedes Carota.
You are now in the presence of a king. Now in the presence of a...
Look at that effect you get from the driver's side window. That's weird. How the water just stays there rotating. Weird stuff. Alright, let's get this thing in the water. Yeah, mudding in this thing is nothing for this truck. Oh shit, what the hell was that? Was that like a fish? Holy shit, that is a fish. How did that thing get here? What the hell? Look. How did that thing get there? From that makes no sense, and it's alive too. You guys see that? That's crazy. Oh well. Oh look, there's another one right there. How are these fishes getting here? Thing is dying. That's crazy. Well, they better not get in my way because I'm driving this thing. I saw another one. I'm gonna try not to run them over. I mean, they're dying anyways, but I'm gonna try not to, you know? This is a piece of cake for this truck. Oh shoot. This truck is gonna be so dirty by the time it gets out of here. Let's see what it looks like from the outside. It's not that bad. All right, so without further ado, I'm gonna put my seat belts. Very important. I'm gonna put the truck in sport. We're gonna turn off the traction control. All right, so traction control's off. Differential lock is engaged, so we should be able to do some sweet donuts. Let's see. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I wish I could get some outside views of this thing, but unfortunately it's raining and my drone cannot fly, but this thing can do some very nice donuts. Woo! No fish was harmed in the making of this video. That was nice. You have 19-inch alloy wheels, and look at your exhaust pipe. It's right there. That's pretty cool. V8 insignia right here. You also have turn signal indicators in the mirrors. The windshield wipers are really small, but that's okay, I guess. Beautiful side profile of this truck. We are at the playground, so you know this truck is pretty much gonna get dirty in a few minutes. Very nice side skirts. Spare tire in the back. Right over here. In the back, you have plenty of cargo space, headlamps and whatnot. Cargo cover. Gas tank is on the passenger side. There's no shark fin antenna. But overall, this is a very beautiful truck. I really love it. I enjoy driving it. It is very, very fast. And yeah, let's take a look at the interior. Oh, one thing about these trucks, they're very rugged, so they're meant to be treated, you know, hard. So if you just throw your door to close it, it's not gonna close. You gotta close it, you know, like a man. But yeah, going into the interior, you have a storage pocket right over here. Nice combination of plastic, rubber. Here's your window switches. Here's your seat adjusters with memory seats. Very nice door seal that says Mercedes-Benz. Nice leather seats. And then we climb inside. Created with very nice materials in here. Let me turn off the windshield wipers. Very nice steering wheel, very nice and sporty with plenty of options. You have paddle shifters in the back. You have your windshield wipers right here on the left, and your gear selector on the right. Two huge screens with navigation. As you can see, this car has a whole bunch of speakers all throughout the cabin. I'm not sure exactly how many, but they sound fantastic with surround sound and all of that. Yeah, here's your Your visors, wow, those lights are pretty cool. I just noticed that. Okay. You have a sunroof, of course. Leather seats. The seats are very comfortable. I also like these AC vents. You have your axle selector, whether you want to go 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and whatnot. Your AC controls, analog clock, some more multimedia buttons. Over here you have 2 cup holders, but right now I have it full of garbage. Driving modes is right over here. They call it dynamic, and you can select between individual, sport, comfort, eco, or desert. But right now it doesn't let me go into desert. I'm not sure why. Engine start stop handle over here for your passenger, for when you're going off-road, they can hold on to something. In here you have your manuals and whatnot. You also have a storage pocket right over here with USB ports, USB, yeah, regular USB, USB type C. And yeah, let's jump in the back and see what you get in the back seats. All right, going into the back, same thing. Nice combination of leather and plastic. Storage compartment. You have 2 AC vents, AC controls for the rear passengers. You also have a storage pocket over here. Oh, a cigarette lighter. It's a long time I haven't seen one of those. A 5-volt USB. Seating capacity for 5 adults. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Storage pocket behind the driver and passenger. You also have very nice ambient lighting throughout the cabin. That's pretty cool. Oh, did I mention the sound system in this truck is fantastic. This truck sounds great. You have Burmester speakers all throughout. But that's not all. The noises that come out of this hood, you'll see. The reason this truck sounds so good is because right under that hood is a 4-liter V8 engine making 416 horsepower. This is a $150,000 truck, so it better sound good. Made it to the 4-liter V8 engine. Is a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle also comes with a 4-year, 50,000 miles basic warranty. This truck is also 4-wheel drive, but you can lock the rear axles, make a 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, whatever you want. You have the options right there. You can pretty much do anything. Donuts, burnouts, whatever you like. Every time I drive this truck, man, I just feel like a baller. All right, so yeah, this truck is pretty much badass. I'm gonna do a quick launch just so you guys can hear the engine. Yeah, that was sick. Yeah, that V8 engine sounds amazing, guys. I mean, for a $150,000+ truck, it better sound good, you know? I mean, this is what this truck is meant to do, you know, it's meant to be driven hard off-road. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys smash that like button. Actually, I need to turn back. I like how the seating position is very high, so you feel very high up. Also, the seat belts, once you put just strap to your seat belts, they hug you. So they kind of go like, and they hug you. That's pretty cool. You also have this touchpad over here to control the screen, so you can just you know, make the screen smaller or bigger, or, you know, zoom in and out of your map. Yeah, this truck got a lot of options. I mean, if you have the money, go for it. I highly recommend it. I'll probably go with something like you know, the AMG or the prowess version of it. Either one is pretty cool. But yeah. Hey guys, so that's it on this 2024 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more car content. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.